Hi everybody, Keith here. So another quick little story from the stage. I love where things lead to, and these days I'm exceptionally focused on impact. And a great impact story for me was I worked with a client. I did a half-day workshop in London for this one client for 10 people. And the client was an existing client of mine, but they'd moved organisations, and they brought me in because they trusted me and they wanted to just get all their leaders on, their direct reports on the same page. And then from that, those leaders said, "Oh, could you do a one-day workshop for some of our leaders?" I said, sure. So about 6 months later, I went back to London and I did another one-day workshop with about 40 people in the room. And then those leaders said, "Could we cascade this down into our leadership teams?" And so about another 6 months later, I went back and I did two one-day workshops for about 40 people in both rooms. And out of that, one of the senior leaders came to me and said, "Look, we've loved the journey you've taken us on, but we're looking for something a little bit more in depth." And they said, and I said, "Well, would you like me to share with you my observations and some things that you can do?" I've got to know your business pretty well. And so what panned out is I worked with 55 of their leaders, took them on a 6-month leadership journey. It was during COVID, so it dates this a little bit. We started in person in February, and then obviously everything in 2020 and everything then went pear-shaped after that. And then we just turned it into a virtual leadership. But when we talk about impact, there was two metrics. That group of people generated an extra 10.8 million pounds sterling of additional revenue from the projects they worked on. And I have a methodology around how we get people to apply what they know into a project that actually does one of three things: saves money, makes money, helps people become more productive. And we were able to measure that they had an impact of 10.8 million pounds sterling of additional revenue on top of their day job without spending any money, which was really cool. But what also happened out of that was, of that group of 55, something like 20 of those leaders now, this is now, 5-6 years later, 20 of those leaders have been promoted into senior roles inside the organisation. And about another 10 left that organisation are now in senior roles. And so I suppose when you think of impact, you could think of impact as the bottom line, but I actually think of impact as, is that leader now equipped to be a better version of themselves for the people who mean the world to them, and a better version of themselves for their people, for their company, for their clients, and for their business communities. So that's what I mean by impact. It was so good working with that business, and still am today.